My name is Vince. I'm with Individual Point of Sale. I want to thank you for taking the time to view this video. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at custom menus. By custom menu, as you can see on my screen here, we're talking about the buttons of items on the cell screen. You can build multiple menus to reflect different items at different times of day or different seasons or different registers. As you can see, now there's no timers associated with these. They have to be manually switched from one menu to another, and that is done simply by going to the cell screen and then going down to settings. You can create a large number of layouts, as you see here for our demo. We have our demo layout, and if we want to edit that, we simply just click the pencil. We can copy that into a new menu in case you're creating multiple menus that are similar with just a few differences. Or you can delete the menu altogether. We're going to go ahead and edit this. And as you can see, you can name it, and you can tell it to leave the selected folder because your buttons could actually be folders, meaning it can take you to a second custom menu layout with more items. So let's just take a look real quickly at what we've designed here. The first button has an item, the gift card item, assigned to it. And this is a very common item to place on a custom menu. Most of the time your custom menus are going to be set up as items that are hard to scan or items that you constantly search for, because it could be one click or one touch as opposed to typing out words or numbers to search for items. So notice these buttons, the item buttons, you can assign pictures to those, and they do not have a number in the top right-hand corner. Those buttons with a number in the top right-hand corner signify there are 20 buttons in this submenu. These buttons act as a submenu, so when you select the all-around tumbler, for example, here are the 20 items that we've set up on this particular button. You can name the menu, submenu, excuse me. You can also change the color. So if we edit this, this is just referring to the label, and you have a wonderful color selection here to be able to choose from. And once you're done, you can making any changes, you can go ahead and click the save button. I'm just going to escape out. And to go back to the previous menu, we hit the X. Now, notice I cannot create a second level submenu. You can only have one level. So we'll go ahead and close this, and it'll take us back to our main custom menu. Again, we can only create with each button, we only have one submenu available. So to assign an item to this menu button, I would simply start typing. I don't have anything that starts with that. Let's just trying to think of, there we go. So we'll just think of something, and that's all I have to do is select the item, and it automatically puts it onto that button. Now, if I want to create a menu or a submenu from this, I simply put a second item on another button, and then I drag the item over top of the other one, and it becomes a new folder, at which point I can change the name, change the color like we looked at before, and save it. And now we have random items, and if we go back to here, we now have a button called random items. So again, you can create multiple menus, custom menus. When you're all done, you can just hit the done button, and you can see the different ones. To make it the current layout, which is the one that appears on your cell screen, just click the big button that says set as current layout. Other than that, That is as simple as it gets for creating custom menus. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team at 570-906-8598, option 3. You can visit our YouTube channel, or please feel free to visit our website to address any other questions at ipos-us.com. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.